Karnataka Chief Minister Siddaramaiah on Friday appealed to voters of the Varuna Assembly constituency to extend their political support to his son Yathindra Siddaramaiah. Speaking after inaugurating the Beereshwara Swamy Temple at Varakodu village in Varuna, Siddaramaiah said he would continue to remain active in public life as long as he lived. I will remain in politics as long as I breathe and continue to serve the people throughout my life, he said. The Chief Minister recalled the support he had received from voters of the Chamundeshwari and Varuna Assembly constituency during his political career. He said the blessings of the people had enabled him to achieve several milestones in political career. Siddaramaiah noted that he had contested elections 13 times and had been elected on 9 occasions. He also expressed gratitude to the people for giving him the opportunity to present the state budget for the 17th time and for allowing him to serve in various political positions, including as Chief Minister. Appealing to the voters, Siddaramaiah said that in his absence, Yathindra would focus on the development of the constituency. He urged the people to extend the same support and blessings of his son and help him strengthen his political career while continuing development work in the constituency.